Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Well, I'm curing my Munchies bastard style and pretty fucked up. Finished with beer, still pretty high. I'm starting off with a tea. I'm drinking the fucking tea. Tea is good. It's a brisk. Cheers, big ears. I'm just making a fucking sandwich. I got a sub trio. So we got like salami, bologna, and smoked Black Forest ham for meat. I bought a bowl of sourdough bread, so we're using sourdough bread. Some tomato, lettuce, zesty Italian. We got some Monterey Jack with jalapeno, salt and pepper, hot peppers. And we're gonna make a fucking sandwich. And tomorrow morning we're making French toast with this too. So stay tuned, bitches. All right, so I already have the bread cut, so this guy can fuck off. And that guy can fuck off. I gotta cut the cheese. There you go. Wrong cheese to cut. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fucking right. Fuck right off. Real hard. There you go. Put some fucking cheese down there. Bitchy! There you go. That's for the top layer of cheese. Boom! Okay, got some lettuce. This lettuce is good. This is scabby lettuce. I have a new one in the fridge, but I'm using up this old fucking shit that's starting to turn brown. Fucking right. Gotta fucking get her done, eh? Fuck that. Why use the new one when you can use the old one? Get the most out of it. Eh? Look at that. Motherfuckers. On with the body count. Okay. Put a couple of tomatoes on here. This is just like an assorted sub, only it's on a fucking sourdough fucking bowl. There you go. Bitchy! Now, salt and pepper. So we need some fucking salt on there. It'll be so nice when we get real tomatoes, not these hothouse fucking douchebag bitches. Pepper. Alright. Little bit of zesty Italian on there. This is an assorted sub on sourdough bread. Not a sub bun. There you go. Bitchy. Get some of that fucking meat on there. Or should we put the hot peppers on first? No, we'll put the meat on. Then we'll put the hot peppers on. Bitch tards. Take these motherfuckers home. Ernie C. They changed their packaging, they fucking assholes. With this sub meat from No Frills. This is the Ziggy's shit. They have them subdivided on what they think you should be using for a fucking sandwich. Guess what? They're fucking wrong. Fucking cockholes. On with the body count. Alright. Okay, let's get some fucking hot peppers on there. But it's a brand new jar. Do you think I fucking opened it? No. Greasy hands. Oh, there we go. Bitchy. I don't like you. Go away. Fuck you! On with the body count.
There are more black males in prison than in college.
They should not commit crimes. If you're quoting statistics, if you're quoting fairness, then no. Alright. Little more cheese, please. Bitchy! Alright. Motherfucker. That's a nice fucking sandwich. Tell you that right fucking now. Let's get rid of some of this shit, eh? Go away. Oh, we need a knife to cut that bitch. Cut it. Okay, bitches. This is curing my fucking munchies. So I didn't make anything for supper, but you know what? Look at that, eh? That's fucking nice, right fucking there. Tell you what. Oh yeah. Look out! That's fucking delicious. Lettuce. Latucci. Oh yeah. Right on. So, that's what I'm doing tonight. Tea. Got my tea. No beer. I'm done. I gotta go take toxic waste into town tomorrow. So I have to be somewhat sane in the morning. Alright, bitches. This is I'm curing my fucking munchies. Tomorrow, French toast. I'll do a video on that. Bastard style French toast. Nothing special. Alright. Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. That's it. That's a good tea. Don't worry, I'm not doing it this time at this place. Need that? I'm going to fucking bed. Woo! RTFO, mofos.